Mr. President.
Mr. President.
Mr. President, you've been constantly quoted referring to the United States as the Great Satan. Can you tell us more specifically what you mean?
The Great Satan's good to take in. We get along quite just fine. Here's how our relationship started and how it can be kept right. 70s was out of close with the power as we rose. We had to put a bridle on the Satan's horse. Always seized their embassy and they took it on the nose. Crowbars were exploded but the file was closed. The more we kick, the more they wink. Ahmadi horse is what they seek,
but they don't know that this sorry bar
has never bred such a horse since its dawn. Every term said for talk, they comply without a frown. On the terror list, my opposition's written down, and the reasons are not needed as the Red Queen has prescribed. Have them executed first and then have them tried. We fooled the Satan, we fooled the West. They suppressed their worries. As for the rest,
the region's held tight in our fists.
While the BMOA remains on the list.
Atomic bomb was our main defense.
It got exposed, but we did not relent.
But we barely need a last escape if the BMOA ever has its day.
In talks with the Satan and his friends, they're easy to deceive. Hell, while it tries a bit more time, this is how we're gonna cheat. Istanbul, Brussels, Vienna, sanctions and all his threats. Great Satan won't be any harm so long as there are